Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would be making slime. So it said that I have to add 1 cup of water. Here is my water. 1/2 cup of baking soda. And some glue. Not glue. And then I have to mix it until it's all dissolved. Okay, and now I'll add the glue. Oh my god, guys. I'm going to add some sequins to this. When I just added the glue in, it just formed immediately. Here's a bit of it. And now I'm going to add some sequins. This is so nice. This is sweet. I love it. Okay, so now you know how to make slime. So the glue I was using is this one. This is the glue I was using, great clear glue. And guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe. Love you.